Hello everyone and welcome back to SpringBonnie animatronics. I know it's been a while and I think you're all noticing that above the FNAF window there seems to be a yellow head. As you've seen, I have not posted for a few weeks, and that's because I've been working to finally finish that along with a few other things that are off camera for now. This is the SpringBonnie skull for the character. And as I promised, it is able to be taken off, which means that this shell can be swapped out for another one, or the same one if it's broken, hopefully, which means that this can be, again, multiple animatronic characters. I also made an animation that didn't exactly work, and it makes the servos glitch around, but it still shows a good representation of what the animatronic does, because it shows a bunch of random movements. And if I plug it in now, you can see it. You can see it spark up, and a bunch of random things start to happen, with it freezing up for a few seconds between random animations happening with arm movements, jaw movements, and actually I made a neck movement that you might be able to see. That's about to happen soon, hopefully, that I just made recently. And as you can see again, the servos move around erratically with no clear motion and many glitches, with nothing clearly being able to happen. As you can see right here, it's meant to be the robot trying to wake up, but as you can see, it doesn't fully work, but it is still a good show. Here, if I plug it in, I can reset them all for him. As you can see, it makes the character of SpringBonnie look more alive and with the actual character. And soon I will post something about the process and how it looks on the interior. But I've also made other things during these few weeks, like a new eye mechanism with a few problems, a better version with only one problem, this small version not fully finished that's meant to go inside of that skull, and I managed to make a working LCD display. I will show those in later videos, and hopefully, if the one I showed that was the small one works out, in the future, you'll be able to build that head, and it won't just be stuck here. You'll be able to print it and build it, as the parts will become snap-on with barely any custom wiring and stuff. So for now, that's all I have to show. I will show some of the eye mechanisms in the next video, but that's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, it would help if you liked and subscribed. Sharing it with others would also help, as it helped the channel grow. Thank you and goodbye.